In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix checkout page not loading on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If your Gumroad checkout page is not loading, customers cannot complete purchases, which can directly affect your sales. Usually, this problem happens because of browser cache issues, extensions, or incorrect domain settings. Now, if you want to fix checkout page not loading on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the checkout page in an incognito or private browsing window. If the checkout page loads correctly there, the problem is most likely caused by browser cache or extensions. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. You can open your browser settings, go to browsing data, and remove cached images, files, and cookies because corrupted cache files can stop checkout pages from loading properly. After that, refresh the checkout page and try again. Then, disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, and script blockers can interfere with Gumroad checkout scripts and prevent the page from loading completely. Now, if you are using a custom domain, check your domain settings carefully. Make sure your DNS records are configured correctly, the SSL certificate is active, and the domain has not expired because incorrect domain setup can break the checkout page. After that, check whether Gumroad servers are experiencing issues. Temporary platform outages can also affect checkout loading, so sometimes you may need to wait until the servers are working normally again. Then, test the checkout page again using another browser or device to confirm whether the issue is browser related. Usually, this problem happens because of browser cache conflicts, blocked scripts, extensions, or domain configuration problems. Carefully reviewing these settings normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By checking your browser settings and testing the checkout page properly, you can fix Gumroad checkout loading issues and make sure customers can complete purchases successfully.